Look who's guarding it!
I have a little test cake I'm gonna be trying. See what it's like. It's good. It's very good. The spices and the molasses in the cake really complement the like cream cheese frosting. However, I did just buttermilk for this recipe, which made the cake pretty dense. As you can see, it's not the fluffiest cake, but it's really has like a good amount of moisture on the outside. And this one I just put some pecans on, or very good. Well, that is all for this recipe. Stay tuned for other fall Halloween recipes, and see you soon.